mission is simple: to empower women to thrive as confident, purpose-driven leaders while growing personally and professionally and creating both time and financial freedom. Through Legal Shield, we equip women to lead, to rise, and to build legacies that matter. So guys, the values behind this community will remain the same. We believe in continuous growth, confident leadership, meaningful access to opportunity, strong community, and building a legacy that lasts. So as we evolve, some important things are going to continue. First of all, the Women's Leadership Academy. It remains a foundational pillar of the Women in Legal Shield. We offer structured leadership development, practical skills, and a strong network of women committed to growing together. We're also expanding this year in very exciting ways. Women Empowerment Wednesday that we've been doing for a number of years now is changing. It's evolving as well into a podcast called the Intentional Life Project.